Good day, everyone. I am back at Universal Studios Hollywood. Universal Studios Hollywood for my final Horror Nights update until the event actually starts. It's crazy. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So we have two marquees to the left of the Curse of Pandora's box. And work is just getting done to finish the maze. You can see all the light towers. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. And it looks like the Hill House is officially haunted. We have barriers in front, ready to queue up unsuspecting guests, visitors. And it looks like you'll exit right where that gate is open. So here at the front at the Universal Studios store, we have Halloween Horror Nights 2021 merchandise. We have this hat. It looks like from The Haunting of Hill House. $24.95. You have your magnets that have The Haunting of Hill House, Leatherface, The Bride of Frankenstein Lives, Halloween, and The Exorcist. Cool Haunting of Hill House shirt. We have a poster for The Haunting of Hill House, which is the same as the magnet. Here are some cool buttons for Halloween Horror Nights. Same as the magnets, same characters at least, except no Exorcist. We have this awesome Leatherface shirt, and I'm really liking this Exorcist shirt. And then over here we have that awesome The Bride of Frankenstein Lives shirt. That is $35. Then we have some chocolate bars, rock candy. Looks like sour cherry. And these cool lanyards. I might get one of these. But this is definitely Florida's. Because we do not have Chucky this year, from what I know. Got mugs. And then also this cool Halloween Horror Nights Frankenstein shirt, which is $30. And then this is the Halloween Horror Nights 2021 Artist Signature Series. That's a cool freaking shirt. I wish the bride was bigger though. And this cool thermos. $29. And the Artist Series shirt is $30. And on this side we have socks, The Exorcist and Halloween Horror Nights. And if you love The Purge, there's some socks for you. And the only thing really new in this area for Demon City is the Happy Halloween sign. I really love that. I would love that if that was on a shirt, or I would buy it. The marquees are out in front of the mazes. I believe we will be... I don't know how the line's gonna work. With that being the Plaza de los Muertos. So our final look of the Bride of Frankenstein Lives facade until Halloween Horror Nights begins. You can see speakers on either side. again, right inside is the first chapter of the maze. So usually for these mazes, the line would be in here, and then you would walk straight into the maze from there. But obviously that is not the case anymore. So I wonder where the line is going to be. So since that area is blocked off, I think this whole street will be filled with barricades for The Bride of Frankenstein Lives. It's gonna be interesting, for sure. So when you exit the maze, you'll obviously be walking down this way. But I think these little sets will roll out so that it kind of puts an obstacle in your way for the scare zone. Or at least the trees. The trees look very movable. Fog machines are now out for the Universal Monsters Scream Queens. Silver Scream Queens. But there are the fog machines. So this definitely looks like it will not be a queue area for The Bride of Frankenstein Lives anymore. And there we have the bar for the Dia de los Muertos area. And you can see right behind it is The Bride of Frankenstein Returns. Jabberwocky's mask is out. Not excited about this show. And then down here you have another marquee, which will be for the Exorcist, and you'll probably enter right down that way. And then to your right of Transformers is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre marquee. Here we have the Exorcist. Not much to see. You can kind of see the house that was Reagan lives. Some lighting towers for the terror tram with fencing.
The new Fast and the Furious movie in theaters right now, so I will point those out. The orange and white car on the right, number 26, as well as the blue, number 66,
have lighting all throughout
here.
here.
By the toolboxes. Those were both used in F9.
And then the
it's from a
chain
scene
link
quick at the beginning of the movie,
with
like a flash
smaller
scene,
lights.
and those guys are used as stock race cars. I don't know though, people who parked these vehicles understood just how close they were parking to a very dangerous area of the lot. Because coming up on the right, we have the Bates Motel up on the hill, the Senville House, from that classic horror film.
Work done for
Down here, it's all like we have the neighborhood there.
Ultimate Purge Terror Tram.
So this construction is for the Terror Tram maze for our Halloween Horror Nights event.
Some more work being done for the Terror Tram.
We have our friend on the porch. Oh my.
It's
Okay.
Norman!
It's not quite as fun,
He's
but
out!
that's alright. I'm sure we'll be fine. We're not going too close to it. Watch out for the car. Oh.
Here's some more lighting for
Well,
the Terror Tram, where you'll be walking
it looks like
through.
we survived this next area too. Welcome to the airplane crash site set for the Steven Spielberg directed film War of the Worlds. Terror Tram also takes you through this area as well.
More lighting. There's lighting facing both ways, so will people be walking down here as well? I don't know.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of this.
And we finally have signage. Texas Family, or Leatherface's Texas Family Barbecue. I will definitely be trying this. Lighting tower for Leatherface's Texas Family Barbecue. Now we just wait for this to open, because it doesn't look like anything has been done since last week. It's starting to rain now, so I think I'm about to head out. So that will do it for another trip here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I will see you all next week at Universal Studios for Halloween Horror Nights 2021. So until then, see you in the next video. Bye.